Hello and welcome everyone. I am Tanya and you're watching Learn with Ears. Today we're looking at confusing words interested, uninterested and disinterested. Okay, so first of all, see interested. Interested means having or showing interest about something or someone. Okay, means we love to do something. Now let's see some examples. He is interested in buying more books. Means he likes books. Next, we are interested in parties. Okay, means we like parties, we enjoy in parties. Next, he is truly interested in acting. Okay, he is truly interested in acting. Means he likes acting. Next, he is extremely interested in storytelling. Means he likes to do this. So, when we talk about interested, means we love to do something. Okay, now move to the next word, which is uninterested. Okay, so uninterested means not interested. Now let's see the sentence. He is uninterested in writing a letter. Means he doesn't like it. Okay, he's uninterested. He finds it boring. He says, who cares? Okay, now let's see some more examples. No thanks, I'm uninterested in playing cards. Means I don't have interest in playing cards. She is uninterested in attending her lecture. Okay, means she doesn't have interest. She doesn't like it. They are uninterested in watching movies. They watch football match. Okay, they are uninterested in movies because they like football match. Now let's see the next word, disinterested. Disinterested means impartial or unbiased. Now let's understand it in this way. If there is a dispute between two people, okay, so they will get a suggestion from a disinterested person. Okay, a person who is unbiased, who is impartial. Okay, like an umpire must be disinterested. Okay, an umpire must be disinterested. Now let's see some more sentences. Don't worry, his mother is a disinterested woman. Next, my teacher is always disinterested in class. She is or he is impartial. Okay, unbiased. Next, a disinterested discussion is very helpful for these children. Okay, because in this discussion nobody is unbiased or impartial, so it will be very helpful for these children. Okay, this is the end of the video. Thank you very much for watching.